I think that moving to a 4-day week does not raise profoundly new ideas about productivity, other than to encourage people to decouple their ideas about the relationship between working time and output.
Yeah.
I think for lots of us today, we struggle with the fact that we work in places where we don't put our plows down at sunset. There's no factory whistle that goes off. And there's always more work that we could be doing, a little
Mm.
more quality we could be adding to this project. And so working hours become a proxy for both productivity and kind of level of professional commitment, how much we think of it as a calling, whether we are more promotable than the person next to us. In companies that work 4-day weeks, that breaks because the objective no longer is to put in the maximum work in the maximum hours, but to do the same stuff in 4 days now. And what becomes the measure of success and professional competence, professionalism, and dedication is, are you able to do that? Are you good enough at your job, thoughtful enough about how you work, skilled enough in your ability to collaborate with other people, to cooperate so that you can help this happen for everybody?